So in the last video I showed you how to use a variable with an input and the comparison block here function. So what I'd like to do now is to show you how you can create an area where you can see values. Frequently we check values using the test interface, and that's helpful, but sometimes you'll have a very large program and you would like to be able to see the value displayed on your screen. Now here we're going to be able to see it because it's going to display in these variable boxes. However, our program might be very large and those variables might be in other places. So to display them on our screen, we can use a few other elements to do that, and then we can put those displays anywhere we'd like. So I'm going to expand operating elements and go to displays. I can drag in any one of these I want. It's a text display. Alright, and then I also need to go to inputs and outputs, and I need to add a panel display. Alright, so this panel display I'm going to hook to this variable. Alright, and now this is where that number will be displayed. So let's look at what these pieces mean. When I right click on that, I have an ID or a name. This is how the program identifies this display. So I'm going to call this I'm going to call it PR because I'm going to display the value of the photoresistor. Okay, and then here I can change how it displays. So instead of saying var equals, you can see that there. Now I'm going to type photo and say OK. Alright, so now I've named this and I've changed how that displays, but I have to tell the panel display where to look. So when I right click, it opens up. I only put one display in, so I just select it. I named it PR. Say OK. And now when I run the program, the value from my photoresistor will display here. So you can see as the value changes that you can see that changing in the display.